Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be testing out this hack that is trending all over Instagram now, which is the hairstyle with two bangles. You're not going to be using rubber bands, hair bands or anything to secure your hair. You're just going to be using two bangles. Now let's see if this hack actually works. Now I'm going to be using this really beautiful kundan bangle that I have for today's hairstyle. Let's see how it works. So you can section your front hair like this. Like you can take an ear to ear section, or you can even divide it where your eyebrow arch starts and then take it till the back. So I'm gonna do this way today. Like you can do whatever you want to and whatever you are comfortable doing. So I'm just combing my hair out. This looks like a fail. Okay, so the hack works. It doesn't look that great. I think we should try with some other bangle which is a little bit thinner, because I feel this is way thick. Let's try with some other bangle. Now I'm using like really thin bangles compared to thick one. Like this one is quite thick compared to the one which I have right now. Let's see if this works. Pushing my hair through the first bangle and then keeping this one on top, and you know where this intersection of both the bangles is, take your fingers through that and flip the hair through that. Now you have to remove the hair through the second bangle. That is how it looks, nice and secure. Now I'm really surprised because I was thinking this hack might leave my hair a bit loose, but the tension is perfect and it's like all nice, tight and secure. So highly recommend this hairstyle, and please do try. The only thing that you have to consider is never use thick bangles. You always have to use a small, very thin bangle to get this hairstyle. Also make sure that you use a light color bangle, because since you're using a thin bangle, dark colors does not show that much brighter. So either use a golden color, white, or something of the light color, so that it just shows. Yes, that's it. This hack definitely works. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in another interesting video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.